Hello, and thank you for watching this video. If you're considering importing from China to Australia, ChinaDirect might be the perfect solution for you. ChinaDirect, Australia's top sourcing firm, empowers businesses of all sizes to buy directly from Chinese factories, covering a wide range of products from buttons to bulldozers. Our primary service is product sourcing, where we act as your dedicated sourcing manager, working solely in your best interests and maintaining pricing transparency, meaning no middleman margins. We utilize an open market tendering process and do not accept secret commissions. During the research and tender process, we identify reputable suppliers and manufacturers for you, providing full details about those chosen to source from. Our end-to-end importing management system streamlines the entire process. Our services are divided into distinct stages to cater to your specific needs. Whether you are new to importing or already have a supplier and require assistance with sampling, we have you covered. To guarantee product excellence, we offer quality control measures and inspections. Using ChinaDirect services, you can reap the benefits of buying in bulk directly from the factory, saving 30 to 50% on costs. Our services reduce risks while optimizing your procurement process and maximizing profits, ensuring a reliable and rewarding experience. Throughout the importing process, multiple inspection opportunities arise for quality assurance. Our team will guide you through these options, ensuring you make well-informed decisions at each stage of the import process. During the product sourcing process, we negotiate at various stages, for example, to secure the most competitive pricing for our clients. Additionally, we offer negotiation services for businesses that have initiated the importing process independently and require professional assistance. Desk research assesses a supplier's legitimacy, considering various factors such as credibility, reputation, experience, track record, production capabilities, and overall resources available. The Canton Fair is a massive trade event held biannually in China. Attending the Canton Fair allows businesses and entrepreneurs to source a wide array of products, negotiate deals directly with manufacturers, build relationships, and conduct market research. Contact us to discuss our Canton Fair tour package and other buying trip opportunities. By utilizing our translation and interpreting service, you can confidently engage in cross-cultural communication, fostering strong relationships and ensuring the success of your business endeavors. With over 17 years of expertise and more than 2,000 successful projects, ChinaDirect Sourcing has consistently delighted a vast array of satisfied clients. Our exceptional performance is further shown by the prestigious business awards we have received, which include the Asia-Pacific Stevie Awards, Australian Small Business Champion Awards, Telstra Australian Business Awards, among others. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope it provided valuable insights into our company, ChinaDirect Sourcing. If you're interested in learning more or would like to discuss how we can assist you with your sourcing needs, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to working together and helping you achieve success.